Yes, and we're live. Well, I think we are. Let me just verify. Yeah, I think we're live. We're live. Okay, so hi everybody, Just Filmers here, just making a quick video about how to back up your WordPress blog. Sometimes people have the idea that, it's all safe because it's on a server somewhere, but it's always a good idea to keep a backup in your own PC in case the hosting of your blog has a problem and loses your files. Can happen. Anyway, here's a way of doing it, which is relatively easy and requires the use of a little program called Filezilla. So here's my blog. You can see it's my blog, right? Here you go, all this good stuff on the blog. It's being hosted under a .ws name, which you can check out in the information below. Give you a link to get one. And it's a WordPress blog. So if I want to get to that, I just use my domain name and I use a little file called Filezilla. Ta-da! Great little program, very easy to use, set up. You will need some information to connect to your host. Evidently, you'll need a password and a login. And generally speaking, FTP, which is a file transfer protocol. It's a way of just connecting your computer to the server directly to shift files and folders about. So you can do that, and we'll just do a quick connect. And there we go. We got a little input showing you what's happening with the connection. And I'm going to go to my blog because I've got some other stuff on my hosting. Go to my blog, and I'm just actually making a copy of the entire folder, if you like, the blog folder, on my local machine. So on the left is the local machine, and on the right is the server which is currently hosting my blog. And all I do simply is I've got content and admin. They've been done. I'm just going to click on this includes folder, and I hold the click and I move it across to the left. You see that little plus arrow comes in, and can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see. I'm just going to move that up a bit. See all this stuff here? Oh, it's gone full screen. Yeah, there you can see. So it's all loading everything down. In fact, you probably can't see that. I'm just going to lower this. Here you can see it's all like successful transfers, 41, 42, 43. So it's all doing. It's just making basically a copy on my local hard drive of everything that is on the server, which then creates my blog. So if I've made a copy of everything and the server gets corrupted, then I can go into my Filezilla, clean up the server space, and reload it all back up again, so I don't lose anything. Very handy, especially when you get little messages like, I'll just show you one reason why I'm doing this. Here's a little message from my hosting that's saying they've got problems upgrading WordPress. You do an in-house, it's like the server is upgrading itself from itself. Sometimes that can create little problems. So I figured it would be a good idea to show you how to back up your stuff using Filezilla. See, it's just going along in the background, bringing everything down. So that if you do an upgrade or you put in a new theme or something like that, you change some of the functionality of your WordPress blog on the site while it's live, and then it goes and doesn't work, then you've got a problem. So then you can wipe it all off, upload your previous copy, and it's all good to go. And that means you can do that straight away. You can do it in 10-15 minutes, depending on your transfer speed, rather than having to put in a support ticket and then you have to check your email and do they get back to you today or do they get back to you tomorrow? You don't know. This way you get in control of what it is you're doing. So just remember that. Get yourself your FTP login, and can I show you something about that? It's just got, you get the login details from your hosting provider, your WordPress blog hosting provider, and they'll give you the details. You can get a username and a password, log in, and just bring your files home. Good stuff. Very handy. Hope that helps. Leave me the comments below, and check out all the other videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hope that's useful. Bye for now.